The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2013 Porsche Cayenne with the bare roof. We've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo Clamp based roof rack system. So this system is using Thule's WingBar Evo load bar in black. Silver is also available, 53 inches in length. The Evo Clamp foot pack, and for this vehicle, fit kit 145147. So this system has an overall weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds, evenly distributed, and bar spacing is 27.5 inches center to center on the crossbars. So you can see there's a great fit to this vehicle that does not have a factory rail. No interference with the mounting system to the doors. So open and close your doors as usual. Locks can be added if you want to add security, so pick them up when you order, or you can even add them down the road. So this is just a quick look at this fitment, but for more details, pricing, and easy ordering, click the link in the description below. That'll take you back to our website where you can easily purchase this roof rack bundle with just a couple clicks. So any questions, feel free to reach out to us. But that's it for this one, and like always, thanks for watching.